Tajmotormedics. I've got a Skoda Fabia here on a 2011 plate. Just changing the main dip bolt on this side. As you can see, that one there is working, but this one isn't. So that's what we're going to be replacing. And if you're looking at this, what I'm doing is because of the camera, dude. Yeah. But what we're doing is we're replacing the bolt basically on the passenger side front. I'll show you how it's done. I'm going to turn the car off first. Now it is a quite awkward one. The position where the bulb is in, as you can see, is that cover there. So I need to remove this cover first. On the inside you've got a plug socket. I'll get a bit of light as well. Yep, that's brilliant. Now what you got to do with the plug socket, on the bottom, right at the bottom, which is I would say 7 o'clock, maybe 5 o'clock, and on the top is 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. What you got to do, you twist it to your left and undo it. So if I get my hands in there, so you might not be able to see this bit, but if I twist it to my left, as you can see, the bulb is out. And now what I do with the other hand, I try to take it out. Now just remember how you take it out, that's how it needs to go back in. So you can see this bit here. It needs to slot into the bulb holder and then turn it to your left, take it out. When you're putting it back together, you got to do it to your right. Now when you're taking this bulb out as well, just remember how this bulb is sitting. So you got this little lock coming out. So that's how the bulb needs to go back on. It is a H7 bulb, so you can find that in the description where to get it from as well. So first of all, I need to take this old one out. That's a bit tight. Wow. There we go. It's out. So we're just stuck a little bit. So I'm holding the whole bulb from the lens itself. That's okay. But when I put the new one in, I've got to be very careful where I hold it from. Otherwise, the lifespan for the bulb reduces. So make sure you don't hold it from the glass bit itself. Now this locator here, like I said to you, that needs to go on the top. So if I slot the bulb in and then push the bulb, as you can see now, it's sitting nice and flush. Now what I've got to do is I've got to put it back in. Like I said to you, when you slot it in, you got to make sure it lines up. You won't be able to see this, but what I can show you where it needs to go. On the inside, as you can see, that's the bottom bit there, and then you've got the top bit there. That's where those little air the bulb holder sits into. So I'm going to slot it in and then twist that to my right. This is the tricky part. So there's always a problem with these ones, so you can't get it right. What I'm doing is I'm struggling on this one myself. I'm assuming you guys will struggle. So that's in, and then that's on. Now as you can see now, the battery is dead on the torchlight. So as you can see now, the bulb is sitting in perfect. Now if I switch the lights off, make sure the lights are working. I'll put the cover back on. I'm going to just quickly put them on and then switch them off again. Now you can see both are working on either side. That's all it was on this particular model. This is the Skoda Fabia 2011 plate. Now we've replaced the main dip bulb on the passenger side front, which is quite hard to get into, but if you found this video useful, do leave us a like, do click the like button, comment us below, and there is a new feature on there as well, which is the thanks button. If this bulb saved you a lot of money, then just send us something which is going to be for a good cause as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.